SDS drill modes explained. Drill, hammer, drill and chisel mode. Some will be slightly different, but most will have two modes on the side here. As you can see here, you see that? That's the chisel mode, and this is the drill mode. So on this model, you need to press this in here so we can select the mode, and this is now selected chisel. Right, so we're in chisel mode, and at the back here we have a selector. As you can see here, this is hammer on. If you slip it over, hammer off. So we want the hammer on. So this is the chisel in action. So we've selected chisel and hammer. So now this will rotate. It'll just chisel for you. So chisel mode plus hammer. Some won't have the back selector here, and as soon as you put it into chisel, it'll turn off the rotary action on the chuck and it'll just chisel away. This one you need to select chisel and then hammer, and it'll do chiseling for you. No rotation. Now if we come back over to here, press it in, turn it round, and now we've selected hammer. You see that? Selected hammer. Now when you're first starting off drilling with an SDS drill, it's extremely powerful, and I recommend you switching hammer mode off like that. Start your drill up, get slightly down into your hole, then going back, flicking this over, turning the hammer action on, and then you'll be able to power through with the SDS drill with all its power. This is then drill mode with hammer action, and you're getting the full power of your SDS drill. Now if you want to completely disable the drill itself, unpinch this, turn it into chisel, turn hammer mode off, and now when you press this, you'll get no action and the drill is disabled. So hopefully that helps you out. Just a recap on the sides: chisel and drill mode, and on the back here the selector, hammer, hammer off. So hopefully this helps you out. Different modes on an SDS drill. Even if yours is slightly different, the modes should be exactly the same. If this video does help you out, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.